step back, go and listen to what Kenyans are saying. We cannot take all the important infrastructure of this government in one foreigner called Adani. We cannot. We cannot give him the airport. We cannot give him Ketraco. We cannot give him our health system. It's going to collapse. Lastly, Madam Speaker, I have read and interrogated this statement very well. The benefits that NHIF was giving were superior than the benefits this system is going to give, Madam Speaker. I want to beseech this National Assembly that when the country is headed in a wrong direction, we must say no. Let's step back and listen. This thing is a bad thing. It is causing damage to our country. We will not have a country at the end of the day. Mr. Chairman, sit back, go and follow processes. You cannot award a contract of 1 or 4 billion by single sourcing. You cannot. The eating is just too much. We should not allow this eating and looting in this country. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Yes, Honorable Justice Keme.
Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Make it brief so that the chairperson will be able to respond.
I'll be very brief, Madam Speaker. And mine is not related to the statement that has been given by the chairman of the Health Committee. But, Madam Speaker, I'm only letting you, I'm entertaining any comments on what the chairperson has said. What do you want to talk about? Sorry, Chair. I had sought a statement from the chairman of the Health Committee on the 15th of August this year on the state of smallpox in this country, Mpox, sorry.
Okay, I think there's no relevance to what we are discussing now, so you'll have to ask that at another time. Okay. Yes, Honorable Member for Funyula, then I'll come to you, Beatrice Elachi.
Honorable Speaker, I'll make it very brief. Honorable Speaker, I'm shocked beyond belief. I'm shocked that a member of parliament can come and stand here and justify the massive rip-off. 104 billion, Honorable Speaker, just to run a system. Honorable Speaker, to be honest, Chairman, we beseech you. You are a Kenyan. Be mindful of the people of Kenya. 104 billion going to the hands of insiders of this government is a rip-off. We cannot afford to steal from Kenya to this extent, Honorable Speaker. How heartless can you be? Just go back, Honorable Chair. Single sourcing, 104 billion. Where on earth? Just go, reflect, think about it, involve your committee members, and surely tell yourself, this, you are a Catholic like me. You are a Christian. You cannot afford to steal when you have no remorse. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Elachi.